Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tech updates and insights. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that's been making waves in the technology world, 5G technology. In this video, we will explore what 5G is, its potential applications, and how it's poised to revolutionize the way we connect and communicate. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the details, let's start with the basics. What exactly is 5G? Well, 5G stands for the fifth generation of wireless technology. It is the next big leap in mobile network connectivity, promising faster speeds, low latency, and the ability to connect a massive number of devices simultaneously. One of the key advantages of 5G is its incredible speed. It has the potential to deliver download speeds up to 10 gigabytes per second, which is 100 times faster than the current 4G technology. This means you can download an HD movie in a matter of seconds. Another important aspect of 5G is its lower latency. Latency refers to the time it takes for data to travel between devices. With 5G, latency can be reduced to as low as 1 millisecond. This near instantaneous response time will significantly enhance its applications like real-time gaming, virtual reality, and autonomous vehicles. Now let's talk about some of the exciting applications that 5G enables. With its high speed and low latency, 5G will revolutionize the industries such as healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing. For example, in healthcare sectors, doctors will be able to perform remote surgeries using robots thanks to the minimum latency provided by 5G. Autonomous vehicles are another area that will benefit greatly from 5G. With its ability to process massive amounts of data in real time, 5G will enable vehicles to communicate with each other and with the surrounding infrastructure, making transportation safer and more efficient. Apart from these, 5G will also pave the way for smart cities, where everyday objects will be connected to the internet, creating an interconnected ecosystem. Imagine traffic lights that dynamically adjust based on the real-time traffic data, or garbage bins that notify waste management services when they need to be emptied. These are just few examples how 5G can transform our cities. While 5G offers tremendous potential, it is important to address some of the concerns as well. One concern is the need for a robust infrastructure to support 5G networks. Building the necessary infrastructure, including new cell towers and fiber optic cables, requires significant investment and time. Another concern is the issue of security. With billions of devices connected to the 5G network, ensuring the security and privacy of data becomes paramount. The network providers and device manufacturers are working diligently to implement robust security measures to address these concerns. In conclusion, 5G is set to revolutionize the way we connect and communicate. With its lightning-fast speeds, low latency, and vast device connectivity, possibilities are endless. From healthcare to transportation to everyday life, 5G will empower industries and individuals alike, opening up new opportunities and driving innovation. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this overview of 5G technology informative. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, let us know in the comments what you think about 5G and how you envision it shaping the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.